Alexa, notifications.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. Moen Pullout hose replacement has arrived.
There it is. Just because Moen says they have a lifetime warranty doesn't mean it lasts a lifetime, and I'm not happy right now because this did a lot of damage. When you pull the pull up, it cracked right there. Massive leak right about here. And it did a lot of damage. The cupboards don't close properly. All of this OSB board is swollen. And there's a stain on the stipple ceiling above my boarder's basement bed. They don't close properly. They used to go like this. Now they go thump. They don't even thump. So I'm going to change that hose right now. Here, look at the leak. I don't know if you can see that. See it dripping into the pail? That's a bad leak right there. That's where it cracked. And I got two of these in the house. I got another one downstairs. I'm going to change this out right now. It's going to take a few minutes if I got the right part. Could have waited and got one for free from Moen. Paid $19.99, 20 bucks, free delivery. Ordered it yesterday from Amazon. I discovered this leak yesterday. What is this shit? Don't know if I got the right one or not, but it looks the same. You don't need to shut your water off, but I'm going to, because if I turn my back, the old lady will probably try and use it. It's quite simple to remove. There's a little button to push. Out comes the water. Drain the hose into the pail. And put a rag over top because I don't want any more water going in there. See if that's the same length. I don't think it is. I don't think it really matters. Just won't be able to pull it out as far. Oh, it's an exact match. Now would be a good time to clean out the strainer, but I'm not going to do that today. I just want to show you how quickly it has a little O-ring in it. And I don't see an O-ring in that one. Do I have to use my old O-ring? Are you fucking kidding me? Let's just see. I don't know if that's going to work or not without that O-ring. Let's try it. See if it leaks right here. I can pull it up, put some tape on it, and transfer the O-ring over. No tools required, really. We'll see if that leaks or not. Don't forget to put your weight back on. And you just plug this in until it clicks. Yeah. Getting too old for this shit. Maybe if I push the button at the same time, I can't get the new one to click. There, you hear it snap, you know it's in. Let's test that with just the cold side. That did a lot of damage. It's all cracked and swollen. This whole bottom is swollen out, so the doors don't close properly. Might have to cut this edge off. Maybe I could. I don't know. Wait till it dries up and see what happens. That's it. Yeah, I need that O-ring. Can't fucking believe the new hose didn't come with the fucking O-ring. Maybe it's in the bag. The new hose didn't come with an O-ring. Fuck you, Amazon. Yeah. So, that's that. It's fixed. Let's see if there's any leaks down below. Nope. Looks good. So I'm gonna swap out that fucking O-ring. I guess I don't need to film that part. I should have filmed the O-ring swap. It was a real bitch to get the old one out without wrecking it. I used this paring knife. I tried the edge of a fork. And then when I put the old O-ring into the new hose, and then tightened it, hand tightened it, it leaked like a sieve. The old used O-ring bunched up. I didn't have it seated all the way, and I thought I could just thread it on and it would push it all the way down. It was leaking like a sieve. No more leaks here. That's critical because normally that's in here. Any leaks there are going to come out there and wreck your cupboards like these ones that are destroyed. Let's get a close-up of that for you, of the damage that did. It smells like fucking glue in the house. Look at all the cracks and shit. It's cracked over there. This edge here, the whole thing is swollen. Cupboards don't work properly. They're not closing all the way. I leave that open for a couple of days and let that dry out. The humidity is nice and low right now, so we'll see. With the cupboards closed, you don't notice it. But I miss that. That is what I miss, that sound of the cupboard being closed. Done. I'm into it for what, 10 minutes? I got to put all the shit back that I had to take out from under the sink, and actually it needed a clean out anyway. Lots of different chemicals and stuff. Didn't know we had a refill of soap. Got 2 refills of soap. Got some lamp oil. Should put that in my lamp. I like that lamp. Got a big jug of Windex, I think. Dawn. Platinum, 40 times faster. I don't know what the hell that is. The best cleaner in the world is this spray 9. I buy it by the gallon and just keep refreshing that. That takes nicotine off the walls. And there was another. We haven't used the dishwasher in years. I don't like the noise of that thing. It works fine, but use a lot of power and makes noise. Got some dishwasher soap and a grease pail. Don't open that. It's probably moldy. Thanks for watching. Fuck you, Moen.